Lean back and imagine this. 3 full days without eating anything. No snacks, no chocolate, no breakfast, not even a sip of juice. Just water and silence. Sounds difficult, doesn't it? Yet, throughout human history, millions of people have experienced this, not by choice, but by necessity. And what's fascinating is this. Their bodies didn't just survive. They adapted, evolved, and repaired themselves in ways modern science is only beginning to understand. The moment you stop eating, your body experiences a brief moment of confusion. Where is the next meal? It asks. But deep inside your cells, a silent system programmed by evolution switches on. This system is designed to protect you, keep you alive during food scarcity, and unlock hidden reserves of energy and mental capacity. Most people think fasting is only about fat loss, but that's the most superficial part of the story. The real transformation begins inside your cells, your DNA, and your brain chemistry. When you stop eating, your body starts feeding on something else. Renewal. Stay with me, because over the next few minutes, you'll see how your body changes hour by hour. And trust me, what happens after 72 hours can completely change how you view hunger. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, because here, science turns into life-changing insight. In the early hours of fasting, your body assumes everything is normal. It continues using glucose from your last meal and glycogen stored in your liver and muscles. But as these reserves begin to shrink, your body realizes something has changed. Insulin levels drop, signaling to your cells that easy energy is gone. You may feel slightly hungry, distracted, or hear your stomach growl. Your brain starts negotiating. What if I just take one bite? Behind the scenes, your metabolism shifts gears. Once glycogen is depleted, your body faces a critical decision: panic or adapt. And evolution has already chosen the answer: adapt. Fat begins to replace sugar as your primary fuel. This isn't weakness, it's efficiency. Your body transitions from feeding mode into fasting mode. The real transformation begins now. Around the 24-hour mark, your brain notices the lack of glucose. You might feel a headache, fatigue, or mild irritability. This isn't a malfunction. It's a sign that transformation has begun. As blood sugar drops, the liver starts producing ketones. These molecules are a clean, powerful fuel for the brain. Within hours, mental fog clears. Focus sharpens. Clarity and calm settle in. While the world fears hunger, your body does the opposite. It awakens. You're not hungry. You're in evolutionary mode. By the second day, your body fully accepts the situation. Fat reserves take over. Inside your cells, an extraordinary process begins: autophagy. Damaged proteins, faulty mitochondria, toxic waste, and harmful cellular debris are broken down and removed. Your body renews itself from the inside out. Hunger fades. Energy stabilizes. Your body is now in repair mode. By the end of the second day, you're in deep ketosis. Your brain now runs on ketones and feels noticeably clearer and more focused. Growth hormone increases. Insulin stays low. Fat burning accelerates. Energy stabilizes. This is the ancient hunter mode your ancestors relied on. Not starving, sharp and focused. Around the 50-hour mark, many people experience a surge of energy. This isn't illogical, it's evolutionary. Your ancestors had to be stronger and more alert when food was scarce. Now your body enters the same mode. Mitochondria produce more energy with less waste. Inflammation drops. Your body doesn't collapse, it optimizes. As the third day begins, something remarkable happens. Your immune system starts to reset itself. Research shows that a 72-hour fast can stimulate new white blood cell production, accelerate autophagy, and remove damaged immune cells. Your digestive system rests. The gut repairs. The microbiome rebalances. This isn't just hunger. It's biological reconstruction. When the fast ends, the moment the first bite touches your mouth, your body comes back online. But breaking the fast with the wrong foods can sabotage the process. The best choices are bone broth, avocado, vegetables, and light, easy-to-digest foods. At this moment, stem cells complete the renewal process. Taste sharpens. Mental clarity rises. Your body feels lighter. So, is a 72-hour fast worth it? Science says yes, when done correctly. Fasting renews cells, reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, sharpens the mind, strengthens discipline, and teaches you to trust your body. But remember, this isn't for everyone. Always consult a medical professional if you have health conditions. Sometimes doing nothing, not eating, pausing, gives your body the space to do what it was designed to do. Thanks for watching and sticking around. If you liked this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. There's more coming soon. See you in the next one.